Consider the following situation. You are taking a photo of 3 of your friends. In how many possible ways can your friends arrange themselves for the photo? We learned from last lesson that this is simply 3 times 2 times 1, because the first position has all 3 people as an option. The second position would only have 2 because one person would be removed for the first position, and then the last position is left with whoever is left, so 1. And this, of course, is equal to 6. So there are 6 different ways that your 3 friends can arrange themselves for this photo. But what if instead of 3 friends, I actually have 5 friends? Well, by the same logic, I would just do 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that's equal to 120. Now this seems relatively simple. However, if I actually have 24 friends, this becomes very challenging. I do not feel like doing 24 times 23 all the way down to 2 times 1. That would take way too long. So we have a shortcut. Instead of writing this entire thing out here, we can just say that it's equal to 24 factorial. So factorial is that explanation point there. And anytime you see it after a number, it means take that number and multiply it by all the numbers before it. So 4 factorial would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 10 factorial would be 10 times 9 all the way down to 2 times 1. Something you may have noticed is that the factorial never uses decimals and never goes into the negatives. So factorials only work with the positive integers. Now you may be thinking to yourself, but how is this actually easier? Because you still have to type in all of this into your calculator. That is wrong. The beauty with factorials is that you can actually type in 5 factorial on your calculator. Take a second to find this on your calculator. Every calculator is different, but most scientific calculators do have a factorial symbol. So anytime you are given a combinatorics question that asks you to arrange all of the items, you know that all you have to do is take the total number of items given in the question and use factorials.